Hello, my name is Cherry, and I would like to show you my project. So this is our GitHub page. This is my team. My team is Gary Rusk, Logan Hartson, and me, Cherry Machado, and we're working in a book API. This is our. Let me show you my Visual Studio Code. This is the validation error handle that we made. Actually, I was working. My job was about focus on designing the database. This is the database that we were using, and I worked most of the time. My job was to design the database, design it, and then after that I worked also with how to do all the routes for the 5th week. We just work with the author and the book routes, and I'm still working with my teams. All this job we're doing right now. Okay, let's show you. Go back to the here. As you can see, this is our database. Database is called books. It is here in the Mongo database. Author. This is the 4 collection that we have, and this is we have the project on render. You get in here, and once you get in here, as you can see, well, this is the part that we're working right now for validation. We're advancing for the next week. We're working this, but we have to show you all the CRUD from here, from books and author. So let's see about the books. You're going in here in the books collection. You can go try right here, execute, and you will see that we have all the books in here. I'm gonna make a post for this. I'm gonna make a post like this. This is mouse. I'll take this one, and let's see that, for instance, you made a mistake with the date. Right here, the ESBN field with the date. Let's see that you forgot the date, and it's empty, the date. And when you try to execute this one, you're gonna send a mistake. 422 error response. They're gonna say show you the error. I'll publish it. Put in here the date, right date. Let's see. We're gonna create one 88, and let's see that you want to create one person called Rivera Fernandez, for instance. Then you wanna take this one, and then you're going to create this new field right here. Okay, let's see, execute. 201 was okay, was created. Okay, everything was okay. So let's see that you want to execute to see all the books right here, and we have the last one that we created right here, Rivera Fernandez. What about you want to copy this one and make a consultation right here, post, get right here. You're gonna try this, write the code, execute. Here is this Rivera is right here. What about you wanna make a change for the Rivera? To do this one, copy, and then you paste right here to make the changes. Paste, but let's see that you want to the same error or this one. Let's see, the ESBN. You want to change this one, but you made a mistake. You send things empty, for instance. Then you execute. Oh, they say 422 error. I'm gonna show you the error. ESBN is required, and all the error that happened. Okay. Well, you have to. Let's see. You wanna change you made a mistake. The last 3 hits were 555 instead of 210. Okay. You modify this one, and then here right here, and this time you're gonna try to execute. There you go. 201 was authentic. It was okay. So was modified right here, and then right here you're gonna run again. You will see. You see, 555 was changed, the ESBN. So that's okay. And if you want, for instance, you want to delete this one, just copy right here, copy, and you're going to delete. Then you're gonna try, and you paste in here. But let's say that you make a mistake. You made a wrong number, a wrong ID. When you execute this one, I'm gonna tell you, oh, error 500, error response is not right. But what about you clear this one and you put the right one? Right here, you put the right one. When you execute, 204 is already done. Okay, so let's go about the author. In the author, the same stuff. In the author, you want to see all of them, just execute. You will see all the author that we have right here. Let's see, I'm gonna make a modification for one author. Let's see anyone. Let's see this one. It's the same. No, don't worry about that. Any of that is okay. What about this? Wanna make a modification? This one. Well, you have to, let's Okay, let's see that you are going to send an empty birthday. Empty birthday. You wanna, there you go, send a empty field. Then you execute. Oh, 422 error, and says that birthday is required. You see, birthday. Let's see, you wanna put a birthday, and you may create this person that is gonna be called Linda, Francis Linda, for instance. Let's see, Francis Linda, and she was born on 2010, for instance. There you go, and you can save this one. You can save this one. Execute. There you go. 201 was created. The author was created successfully. What about you wanna try to check any? What about this one? This MCL. Let me take this one. You wanna see this person right here? You wanna try for ID. To try paste right here. Execute this one. You wanna see 200. It's okay, Shayla. Okay, but let's see that you made a mistake and you just put author and you forgot, like this, you forgot the ID. Then you execute. You wanna say the 404 error response, author not found. But what about you fix the author to execute? There you go. See, it's okay, so it's working. What about you wanna try to make a change? Try this one. What about you want to put ID right here and you wanna make some change for this file for Shayla? This is gonna copy all this information, and let's see that you want to modify the, just send anything else. Let's try with the birthday, empty birthday X, and you send a empty field. For instance, you execute. You wanna receive 402 error response. You wanna see the birthday is required. But what about you send the right birthday right there, but you made a modification. Let's see that she was born in 2020. Everything's okay. Then when you execute this one, the 204 was okay. You see? So let's gonna 204 check this one. What about you wanna here clear this one and paste right here and execute? You will see that she was changed 2020 and Shayla we changed all the information. Okay, so was okay. What about you want to delete here? So you come right here, you wanna try to delete, you wanna paste